Are you considering homeschooling your kids while living the RV life but unsure how to comply with state laws? This video unpacks the process of homeschooling compliance for those embracing the RV lifestyle. Firstly, it's crucial to research state laws. Different states have different requirements for homeschooling. Some states, for instance, require parents to file a notice of intent to homeschool, maintain attendance records, and submit test scores or evaluations. The Homeschool Legal Defense Association, or HSLDA, provides state-specific information that can help clarify these laws. The next step is choosing a curriculum. Time for Learning is a flexible curriculum that covers a wide range of subjects and allows students to learn at their own pace. This adaptability makes it an ideal choice for the ever-changing RV lifestyle. After choosing a curriculum, creating a schedule is the next critical step. Homeschool Planet is a digital planner that helps to create a customized schedule. This tool allows for the planning of lessons, activities, and even travel time, ensuring organization and compliance with state laws are maintained. In addition, several online resources can supplement your homeschooling curriculum. Websites like Khan Academy, National Geographic Kids, and PBS Learning Media offer free educational resources, videos, and interactive lessons. Documenting progress is also crucial. Seesaw, a digital portfolio tool, allows tracking and documenting a child's progress. This tool allows for the upload of photos, videos, and samples of a child's work, providing a comprehensive record of their homeschooling journey. Finally, joining homeschooling communities such as Full-Time Families and RV Homeschooling can provide support, advice, and resources from other families who are homeschooling on the road. The RV life learning also comes with several benefits. It provides hands-on learning opportunities as you explore museums, national parks, and historical sites. It offers flexibility, allowing for the tailoring of a child's education to their needs and interests. It provides cultural enrichment, immersing your child in different cultures and traditions as you explore diverse regions of the country. It teaches life skills such as budgeting, navigation, and problem-solving through real-life experiences on the road. Lastly, it strengthens family bonds through shared experiences and adventures on the road. To summarize, homeschooling on the road involves researching state laws, choosing a curriculum, creating a schedule, utilizing online resources, documenting progress, and joining homeschooling communities. The benefits include hands-on learning, flexibility, cultural enrichment, life skills, and family bonding. So, embark on this educational journey and uncover the enriching world of RV life learning. Remember, we're not just teaching our children, we're guiding them on a journey to discover the world and their place in it. And what better way to do that than by living your best RV life? You're not just giving them an education, but a lifetime of memories and experiences that no classroom can provide. So, go ahead, take that leap, and let the road be your classroom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mojo Review for more content like this. Let's continue to explore, learn, and grow together 1 mile at a time.